Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to share live location with iPhone 17 Pro. So in this video I will show you how to use Find My application to share your live location, because that's actually the safest and the easiest way how you can share your live location with your friends and with your family. So let me show you how to set it up step by step. You have to open Find My application on your iPhone. Okay, so let me proceed with all the updates. And as you can see, your Find My application is divided into 4 sections at the bottom side of the screen, and you have to go to People tab. This is the page where you can see a list of contacts that you're already sharing your location with, and also it allows you to add new people to share your location with. Okay, so let's tap this plus icon and you have to select Share My Location option. So now you have to enter name, phone number, or email of the person that you want to share your live location with, or you can simply tap this plus icon, which will redirect you to list of contacts, and it's even easier, so you just have to tap here. So for example, let me select this contact, and now you have to press this Share My Location button at the bottom side of the screen, and of course pick the duration that works best for your needs. So you can share it indefinitely until the end of the day, or simply for 1 hour. Let me share it for 1 hour. My iPhone asks me if it can use this device when sharing my location. I want to select use, and now if you see here button that says stop sharing my location, that means that you are currently sharing your location with this contact. And if I go back to my People tab, I can see this contact that I have added right now. And also if I tap on this person and if I scroll a little bit down, I can see option request location. So if I tap here, this sends a request to this person that you want to see their location as well, and they have to open their phone and go to Find My application and submit your invitation, submit your request, and this way you will see their location as well. So yeah, that's basically how you can share your live location on your iPhone 17 Pro, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.